So, hey, I wanted to show you a little bit what I want you to do. So, I bought you a ball bearing and I gave it to you this morning. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to start making a fidget out of it. We're going to see how it goes. So, first, I'm going to show you the actual ball bearing. I found a 3D model of it. So, this is what it looks like. And you'll be able to put your parts on top of it and see how they fit. So I'm going to close that now, and I'm going to start a new drawing. Standard millimeter, create. So for the inner part, I'll show you what I did. If you want to do it slightly different, you'll do it slightly different. It's up to you, and you'll see if it works or not. So the inner diameter of the ball bearing is 8 millimeters. But if we do the shaft that goes inside, if we do it 8 millimeters, it's never going to fit. So we have to do it smaller. How much smaller? That is dependent on how good your printer is. Now, what I've done is that I did a test print today with 7.9 as a diameter for the inner shaft, and it worked well, only because the printer printed it slightly smaller at like 7.8. So I suggest we try it with 7.9, and if it doesn't work, you can always go back, make that first circle a little smaller, and everything else will follow. So we're going to start with the first sketch, and we're actually going to do the inside shaft. So the inside shaft, we're going to put a circle. We're going to start in the center, and we're going to put 7.9 millimeters. Press enter. We finish. You've all done this, so I'm going to go fairly fast. We're going to extrude. I'm going to extrude to 5.2 millimeters. We're just going to be a little bit over on each side of the ball bearing. Then we're going to sketch again on one of the ends. We're going to project geometry, the circle, and we're going to offset. And it's good to offset because then it's always the first circle that dictates everything, right? So we're going to click on there, and it kind of drew the circle for us. We're going to offset that by 1 millimeter. I don't want to offset a lot because I don't want to go anywhere near the outer circle of the ball bearing. Okay, so we're going to finish here. I'm going to extrude, and somehow there's 2 circles, so we're going to select both of them. It's going to do it as one piece. It is join, and here we're going to do 2 millimeters. So this is what's going to sit on the inner part of the ball bearing. So it's going to be snug on it by 0.1 of a millimeter, but that's very tight. And then we're going to put another bigger circle for where our finger is going to go. So again, sketch on the outside, project geometry. We take the other outer rim, then offset on that image. And this one we're going to make a little bigger. So we're going to extrude by 2.5 millimeters all around. So we're making the circle actually 5 millimeters larger. Oh no, Windows is going to shut down in less than a minute. Okay, I gotta stop this.